Thank you, sir, for your enlightening words and rightly emphasizing on the role of science, technology, and innovation on the upliftment of society. Now, I request PSA to the Government of India, Shri Ajay Kumar Sood ji, for his address.
Respected dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, I'll be very brief because all the relevant things have been done so well by the previous speakers, and I'm so excited to looking forward to this event that I can't wait till January 21st. So I think it's a wonderful program. It really covers almost all aspects, celebrating science in all its measures with the society. And I especially like this emphasis on the festive aspect of science and technology, and not really like a congress or a conference. So that appropriately called science festival rather than a conference. Especially the fact that it is also connecting to artisans, which is an aspect which is rarely addressed in a scientific meeting. I think this is a great step to bring science and society together. And now using the technology like AR, VR to really take the products of the artisans to global place. And good news is that it's already happening in some ways. Our Jodhpur Science and Technology Cluster has done for the Rajasthan. And I'm sure this will really amplify and it will really increase the visibility of our local artisans to the international community. The other thing which I really like among all these things is the games and toys, because we all grew with them when we were growing up, and somehow along the line you forget them and then start doing textbook materials. So this is something which really is a game changer in my view for inculcating the spirit of science among the people. See, the point which people forget, and I always keep on reminding myself and everyone, science and technology is not only in classrooms. It's not that you do something in classroom and when you come out, you are talking unscientifically and without rationale. So we have to really integrate science in our way of thinking. And this is what connects science to students in this festival. You connect games and toys. Again, a great effort, a great initiative, not effort, great initiative, which can really go a long way. And I also hope that with coming festivals, all the toys and games which have been demonstrated, there should be a platform people can buy them. Because supposing I want to buy something for my grandchild, I really don't know where to go. Actually, I don't know a platform. You go to Amazon, it doesn't tell you that. So I was thinking under IIFS, can we create a something that, so that even after the event is over, somebody is now able to sell these to people. So once I wanted to give a gift and I couldn't find out the origin. So I think it can go a long way, and in our schools they can be really distributed, because nothing better than really exciting the imagination of children. So like we used to make this windmill when we were kids and running with it. Somehow all that has vanished. So somehow that we have to bring it back. So I think I will not say more because everything has been said. Startup conclave again is a great idea. And as we have been talking in the last many months, these startups have to move to now deep tech startups. Because deep tech startups, if you look at the way it is defined, where technology innovation is more, we only have 3,000 only of that deep tech startup in our country, as compared to 80,000 startups which cover all the aspects. So why should it be 3,000? It should be actually 30,000. And if you look at deep innovation startup, which is another level of innovation, in country has only 400 plus of them. So this data has been put by NESCOM. And I think the efforts like this, what you mentioned in IIFS, can really go a long way to increase this 3,000 to next 7,000 in next 1 or 2 years. So that should be our target. So wonderful program, excitingly looking forward to it. And I hope that all of you will join, and along with all the people you can motivate to be a part of this science movement, celebrating science in all its measures. Thank you very much for this.